Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best dehumidifiers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed the products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in the list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the dehumidifiers in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best dehumidifiers on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the BLACKDECKER 70 Pint Energy Star Portable Dehumidifier. A clear, conscious electronic control panel makes this BLACKDECKER 70 Pint Energy Star Portable Dehumidifier extra easy to use. The digital display allows you to control the adjustable thermostat, set the 24-hour timer, control automatic settings such as auto reset, auto shutoff, and auto defrost features, and choose from 3 different fan speeds of high, medium, and low. The dehumidifier collects up to 70 pints of moisture every 24 hours and operates between 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. It's Energy Star certified, saving you money on your electric bills, and uses the environmentally friendly R410A refrigerant. A built-in collection bucket holds up to 14.8 pints of water and is fast and easy to empty. Although, with the larger size, you won't need to empty it too often. Alternatively, there are also 2 ways to drain continuously, including an especially easy-to-drain built-in pump that pushes collected water towards the area of your external receptacle, and is powerful enough to push it vertically if needed. The BLACKDECKER 70 Pint Energy Star Portable Dehumidifier is featured on The Spruce and Good Air Geeks. Pros: high-end electronic control panel, 3 fan speeds, wide temperature range, various drain options, Energy Star certified, and eco-friendly refrigerant. Cons: large but heavy reservoir. Issues reported with the pump. Coming at number 4, EvaDry EDV 1100 Electronic Petite Dehumidifier. Perfect for smaller rooms such as bathrooms, the EvaDry EVD 1100 Electric Petite Dehumidifier is compact enough to fit on a desk or workbench while it still effectively removes humidity. It uses Peltier technology, which means there's no compressor, making it light and quiet to run as it extracts moisture from the air and stores it in a spill-proof reservoir. The tiny dehumidifier has an auto shutoff feature, which displays a full light indicator to alert you when the 16-ounce reservoir needs to be emptied. Even better, it doesn't require or consume much energy because of its operation. It's super quiet, so as not to be disturbing as it does its thing in closets, RVs, and other small spaces up to 1,100 cubic feet large. Pros: compact size, lower power consumption, auto shutoff feature, no compressor means it's quieter than other options. Cons: not super powerful, best for small rooms and spaces only. Number 3, Ivation 70 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier. The Ivation 70 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier keeps spaces up to 4,500 square feet cool and comfortable by removing up to 70 pints of moisture a day. It uses an advanced filtration and evaporation system that helps to prevent mold, mildew, and structural cracking. The dehumidifier also safeguards those in your home against allergen mites and other asthma triggers. It has an easy-to-use LCD interface that lets you check the humidistat, set your ideal levels, adjust for speed, program the 24-hour timer, and receive important filter and reservoir alerts. It also uniquely has multiple green features, including energy-saving auto shutoff mode, a timer, and a cleanable and thus reusable filter. Other perks include an extra long 6-foot 3-pronged power cord that eliminates the need for extension cords, 2 fan speeds of regular and turbo, an optional hose connection to make draining easy, and an auto defrost sensor that prevents wasted energy and protects evaporated coals all within a relatively small, compact 40-pound design. The Ivation 70 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier has been featured on Best Reviews, Good Air Geeks, and Favorable. Pros: easy to use LCD screen, eco-friendly features, 2 fan speeds, optional hose connection, auto defrost sensor. Cons: noisy, setup can be confusing. Coming at number 2, EvaDry E333 Portable Dehumidifier. Humidity is everywhere, which is why the EvaDry E333 Portable Dehumidifier is a must-have for smaller areas. The handheld 5x5-inch device can be placed anywhere extra humidity clogs up the air, such as in closets, under your kitchen sinks, in safes, boats, RVs, or bathrooms, and more. Each EvaDry E333 portable dehumidifier helps to eliminate excessive humidity for up to 10 years using renewable silica gel technology that works without batteries or external power. Without the need for a power source, the portable dehumidifier is completely silent, but is powerful enough to provide a humidity solution in any area up to 333 cubic feet. The dehumidifier is renewable, meaning it will not require any expensive refills and comes backed by a 5-year warranty. The product works on a cycling system in which you place it in a damp area to soak up moisture and then plug it in to charge. As the unit absorbs the humidity, there is an indicator window containing crystals that will charge from orange to green over the course of 2 to 4 weeks, or as the device collects between 8 and 10 ounces of moisture. When the crystals have changed to green, this indicates the dehumidifier is ready to be renewed or plugged in for 8 to 10 hours in a well-ventilated area, and then placed back in the area you wish to remove humidity from. The product is designed to be used in this way for up to 10 years as it captures moisture in the air without any leaks or spills. Pros: extremely portable, low price, does not need a constant power source, completely quiet. Cons: requires charging, won't work in larger spaces. Number 1. Frigidaire FF7803R1. The highly rated Frigidaire FF7803R1 dehumidifier protects your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture, and it helps to eliminate bacteria in the air. The dehumidifier is capable of continuous operation when the unit is located near a suitable drain and has ready select electronic controls, including a high humidity readout, a 24-hour on-off timer, and a control lock. It can capture up to 70 pints of moisture every 24 hours and allows you to control the exact percentage of humidity in any room. It has a portable design that includes a top handle, integrated side handles, and caster wheels, all of which make it easy to move from room to room. The Energy Star certified product has a low temperature operation that helps you save both energy and money. The Frigidaire FF7803R1 has rave reviews across the web and is considered the best on top review sites including Wirecutter, Consumer Search, and Dehumidifier Web. Pros: electronic control panel, portable design, Energy Star certified, various digital controls, very precise humidity control. Cons: common error message, questionable longevity. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best dehumidifiers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.